Hi everyone, welcome to the PharmaBliz channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the introduction to pharmacology. Pharmacology is the science of drugs. It deals with interaction of exogenously administered chemical molecules with living systems or any single chemical substance which can produce a biological response. Now guess who is this scientist? Oswald Schmiedeberg was father of pharmacology. Apart from him, few scientists such as Langley, Fraser, Ehrlich, Clark, Abel developed fundamental concepts in pharmacology. The two main divisions of pharmacology are pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. Pharmacodynamics means what the drug does to the body. Pharmacokinetics means what the body does to the drug. Let's we see about the definition of a drug. It is the single active chemical entity present in a medicine that is used for diagnosis, prevention, treatment, cure of a disease. But later, WHO modified the definition of a drug. In 1966, drug is any substance or product that is used or is intended to be used to modify or explore physiological systems or pathological states for the benefit of the recipient. Other divisions of pharmacology. Pharmacotherapeutics. It is the application of pharmacological information together with knowledge of the disease for its prevention, mitigation, or cure. Next is clinical pharmacology. It is the scientific study of drugs in man. It includes pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic investigation in healthy volunteers and in patients, evaluation of efficacy and safety of drugs and comparative trials with other forms of treatment, surveillance of patterns of drug use, adverse effects. Next important division of pharmacology is chemotherapy. It is the treatment of systemic infection or malignancy with specific drugs that have selective toxicity for the infecting organism or to malignant cell with no or minimal effects on the host cells. Next about toxicology. It is the study of poisonous effect of drugs and other chemicals such as household, environmental pollutant, industrial, agricultural, homicidal, with emphasis on detection, prevention, and treatment of poisonings. It also includes the study of adverse effects of drugs. Now we will look into historical landmarks of pharmacology. In the past, the drugs was discovered and developed on folklore claim or by observations such as digitalis leaf penicillin. Nowadays, new drugs are mostly developed by the pharmacologist, increasingly from basic knowledge about key molecular targets. A French physiologist, François Magendie, in 1783 to 1855, experimental procedures with animals are the testing grounds for determination of drug action. In 1813 to 1878, Claude Bernard investigated the plant extract curare and proposed a site of action for this agent. In 1847, Rudolf Buchheim established the first laboratory at Germany in experimental pharmacology, which is known as the cradle of experimental pharmacology. Oswald Schmiedeberg, the father of pharmacology, in the year 1872 set up an Institute of Pharmacology in Strasbourg. France. J. N. Langley and Sir Henry Dale pioneered pharmacology in England, taking a physiological approach. John J. Abel established the first chair of pharmacology in USA after training in Germany. He went to Johns Hopkins in 1893 and trained many U.S. pharmacologists. He is known as the father of American pharmacology. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PharmaBliz for more easy-to-understand lessons in pharmacology. Stay curious, stay learning. See you in the next video.